One time, dumaan kami sa area galing Leyte, galing Liloan, Leyte, paakyat ng Calbayog City. Tinanong ko yung kasama ko, sabi ko, wala na ba silang ibang daan dito? Ito talaga ang dinadaanan ng lahat. So, ito ang dinadaanan ng logistics ng Mindanao to Luzon. And this is a very important part of the supply chain of the country. And then yan ako, taon-taon mo break ta, taon-taon mo, di ka gun makatulog. Layo na siya, di ba? From San Juanico Bridge to Calbayog City. So pwede ka matulog. Hindi ka makatulog. And I can really compare. That is why at least I always welcome invitations coming from Samar. Dahil gusto ko na makita ninyo siya from my perspective and from my eyes. Makita ninyo ang Samar because maybe you're lost in the forest or maybe hindi ninyo nakita yung mga iba't ibang lugar pa. Kaya hindi nyo nasabi na we need to do something, we need to be better, and we need to do something better. And I want to help your province and your island.